process for getting a dental bridge is interesting depending on which way you need a dental bridge. Is your dental bridge going to be implant supported, or is your dental bridge going to be tooth supported? Basically, we can place the implant and the crown to replace the tooth the same day. Isn't that amazing? We can do it the same day. If we're talking about dental bridges that are tooth supported, what is required and is a disadvantage of it is that we have to prepare the teeth on either side of the space. And the cost can be much more than the cost of doing it with dental implants. The great advantage of it, though, is that it will last decades, maybe even a lifetime. A dental implant bridge will last a lifetime because you can't get cavities. With a dental bridge that's tooth supported, it can fail by having a cavity or gum disease that can then cause it to fail. If you keep the bacteria off your teeth, which is otherwise known as plaque, tartar, and calculus, there's very little chance of you getting a cavity in the future. Give us a call, come on by. More than happy to talk to you about all these wonderful things.